Today I'll be unboxing one of the cheapest mechanical keyboard, which is $18. That amounts to be 2510 rupees. It is from a brand Zifriend mechanical keyboard. The model number is KA646. It comes with a red switch. On opening the box, we get a keyboard wrapped in plastic. One USB to Type-C cable, a plastic containing 2 red switches and one keycap puller, and a booklet. The mechanical keyboard is in black and white combination, and it is 60% keyboard. This is the front view of the keyboard. It looks small, but it has the most basic keys available. This is the back side of the keyboard with two stands and the labeling, as you can see, Zifriend, made in China. As you can see, I've joined the cable to the PC, and there is RGB lighting. The pattern you can see right there. The keys are also visible when we switch off the light, and the RGB pattern looks so damn pretty. There are 12 kinds of RGB lightings, and it consists of this keyboard consists of hot swappable keys, which is good for the price. And typing is quite linear, very good typing experience, and I think this is a good upgrade from my last membrane keyboard, and it's a very good keyboard for the price. If you want a long-term review of this keyboard, do comment and subscribe. Thank you all.